Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's video, we're exploring another exciting automation technique. Get ready to learn how to automate your tasks like a pro. Let's get started.
Well, the mouse package is a collection of actions that allow you to interact with the mouse on your computer screen. It's a crucial tool for automating tasks that involve clicking, dragging, and other mouse-related activities. So let's explore some of the most commonly used mouse actions in Automation Anywhere. The first action is click action. Click, double click, right click, drag and drop, mouse move, and scroll. So these 5-6 actions or the events which we trigger from the mouse. Let's see how can we use the mouse package to automate a simple process or a simple task. So let me show you the mouse package. So you can see we have 3 actions and we can perform click, double click, right click, left click with the help of this click action only. So let me drag drop this. As its name suggests, mouse click, we can use this action to click on the screen, or if you want to click on a particular location, means if you want to click at this particular x-axis, y-axis, then we can use this mouse click action. And window title, you can select the window title, or means on which window you want to click on it. If you select screen, then it will click on the screen no matter which window is open. For example, if I want to click on this x-axis or y-axis, so if I give the value of this, if I give the coordinates of this, then it will click here no matter whether this Chrome is opened or not. If this Chrome is not open, then this will click on this location. Means, for example, if desktop is open, then it will click here only. If any other application is open, then also it will click here. But if you want to click on Chrome only, then you can select that window of that application. For example, if I want to select this window only, so I can select from here, and here you can update the title. Okay, then mouse position, we need to give the position where I want to click. Okay, so I will click on capture coordinates, and then I will go to the position where I want to click. So here you can see the position. The value of the coordinates are x is 298 and y is 28. And if I scroll down, then x-axis will remain same, but the value of the y will change. So if I want to click on this button, I will select the axis of this, and I will click here so that it can capture the coordinates. And here we can see the preview and the value of the x and y axis. And whatever button you want to click, you can select it from here. I want to do a left click, so that if we do left click here, so it will open a new tab. So that's why I want to do a left click, so that it will open a new tab. Okay, so let me save the bot and let me close this and let me run the bot. Now it should open a new tab. And here we go, it has successfully clicked on that new tab icon, and it has opened a new tab. So this is how we can use this mouse click action. We can click on a particular location of a particular window. The resolution of my system is HD only, 1366 into 768. But if we are using any other system, or if we are running our bot on any other system, then the resolution can be different. It could be a full HD or more than that. So in that case, the value or the position of this button or this icon will be different. So you can see the resolution here. I'm using this resolution only. So we can use different resolution also. If we give any other resolution, then it will not be able to click on a particular or click on a particular element. See, the resolution can be different also in different machine. But this is how we can use this click action. So let's move to the next action, which is mouse move. As its name suggests, if you want to move the mouse cursor, for example, if cursor is here and I want to move it to the save button, so this movement we can perform with the help of this action. Here we need to select the coordinates of mouse from and mouse to. For example, I want to move my mouse from this location to this location. Then this will be my from location, mouse from, and mouse to. This will be to location. And it doesn't matter what is the initial location of the mouse cursor is. For example, if my mouse cursor is here and I run the board, so it will automatically go to this from location or the source location, and then it will move to the to location. Okay, for this also we can capture the coordinates. Let me capture. For example, I want to give this as a from location mouse. So the source location will be this mouse label or the name of the taskboard, and I want to give this save as destination location. So let me capture this. X 1279 and Y is 149. Anyways, let me click on this save. Alright, so let me run the board. And also we can give the delay so that we can see the movement. So let me run the board. And the initial position is of my mouse cursor is this one. So it will first move from here to this mouse and then it will go to this save. Okay. So I'm placing this here only. First, let it run. So here we go. Our mouse cursor has reached to this save button. Here we don't have any option to give the window name because it will do the movement only. It doesn't matter which window is open or not. It will move the mouse cursor. So let's move to the next section, which is mouse scroll. Mouse scroll, if you want to do scroll, means for example, let me show you something. For example, we have opened this web page and we want to capture something which is available at the bottom of this web page. For example, I want to take a screenshot of this thing. So for that, we need to scroll down till or till here. Okay, so if we want to automate this scrolling process, then we can use this mouse scroll action. And like we scroll with the help of mouse, when we use this mouse wheel, you can see in one iteration it will scroll a little. Okay, so for when we use this mouse scroll action, we can select option. I mean, if you want to scroll up or scroll down, so I will select the scroll down and the number of iteration. So I want to scroll 5 times, and delay if you want to give any delay. And here again, we don't have any option to select the screen. So whichever screen is open, it will do the scrolling. So let me open this screen. Our page is scrolled by the board. So this is how we can use our mouse action. We can move the mouse cursor. We can scroll the pages. We can click right click, left click, and all those things we can perform with the help of these actions which are available in the mouse package. So guys, do let me know if you have any doubt or any question in any of the topic, or if you want a video on a specific topic. Thank you.
That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Remember to explore our Automation Anywhere A360 and Blue Prism playlists for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Check out our blog for informative articles on RPA and automation best practices. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest trends and connect with other automation enthusiasts. Join our WhatsApp channel for job updates related to RPA tools and MNC companies. And if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to join our WhatsApp group and connect with experienced RPA professionals.